Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to take a plain canvas tote and we're going to use stencils and stamps and acrylic paints and create a beautiful tote bag that you can give to yourself or someone else. For a full list of supplies, please see the description below. I'm using the Roycycled ledger stencil and some acrylic paint that I have mixed with textile medium. To apply the paint in my stenciled area, I am using a makeup brush. It's soft, doesn't hold too much paint. It's great to be able to wipe it off on a paper plate. I'm using Liquitex's bronze acrylic paint just to give a little shimmer for this part of the project. So pretty. Aren't reveals great? Next, I'm taking a large sunflower stamp. This is from the IOD stamp set, Decor stamp set called Sunflowers. And I'm just gonna position this where I want it. I've inked it up with Staz ink in jet black because it is archival and permanent. Using my hands, I'm just making sure that I've got good contact between the stamp and my canvas. I also wanted to add a little bee element. So this little stamp happens to be from the new release of the birds and bees. And now I'm gonna go in and start painting in the bee with black acrylic paint, again by Liquitex. I'm just using a fine, small artist brush here. And I want to make sure that I get the black parts painted in first, and then I'm even going to outline the wings. I wanted to give these a little shimmer, and so I mixed some of my textile medium into Roycycled Paints Heavy Metals Metallic Paint in Pearl. Next, we're going to do the body. And again, the list of all the colors that I've used are going to be in the description below. And now it's time to do the sunflower. Once that's done, I'm going to move into the center of the sunflower. Here I'm using, I believe it's burnt sienna or raw sienna. It'll be in the description. And I'm filling in the center as well. And now I'm going to take some of that bronze paint again, just to give it a little continuity and a little shimmer. And I'm going to fill that in. And then we're going to add the little seeds, and we're almost done. Once your project is completely painted, you're going to heat set it, and then it's washable. Happy creating. Thank you so much for joining me. You can find most of the products that I've used today at vintagerevivaldesignco.com.